Hey guys, it's the Average Joe back with another video. Today we're kind of doing a little something different, stepping away from the case game and kind of looking at an accessory here. This is the Kable Card. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have, or if not all of you guys, have seen this maybe on some other channels, but I kind of wanted to do a video on it as well because I feel like this is something that might be something that I can use, or maybe any one of you guys can use as well. So yeah, I mean, again, I have more accessories and cases on the way, so please stay subscribed to the channel. Hit the bell notification so that, you know, when the new videos come up, you get notified. And if you find stuff like this helpful, leave me a like and drop a comment down below. What's one of your favorite accessories to carry around? So my plan is to hopefully use this in my everyday carry bag, in my EDC. So yeah, so this is it, the Kable Card multifunction cable essentials for your phone. All the cables you need are here. So yeah, this was a Kickstarter project and it obviously went well. It provides multiple cables, wireless charging. It's small. It's got a SIM kit, memory reader, phone cradle, and it's got a little flashlight. So yeah, let's kind of just crack into it. This is the back, which I was showing in the beginning. Kind of want to figure out how to open this thing, so I think you got these little up arrows here, so we'll probably just maybe pry it out. There we go. Okay, let's get that off to the side. Let's pull this off. And we are met with the card, and it is small. It's about the size of a card. Let me see. I got my little card for to get into my building. Yeah, there you go. It's about the size of a standard credit card. Obviously, it's a lot thicker because it's got a lot more going on. But yeah, looks good. And then it just kind of gives you a layout of what it looks like on the inside. You got all the cables, the SIM card tray, SIM card remover, Type C to Lightning. You got the Type C to Type C. It's got 5-watt wireless Qi charging. You got the LED switch. It has ambient light as well. You got the Type C to Type A connector. And you can put a micro SD card in there as a memory reader. So I think this might be everything you need in one. But yeah, let's check it out. So this is the card itself. First things first, I believe this is supposed to be, well, let's peel this off. Okay. Just trying to figure out how to get this thing open. Obviously, they don't want to make it easy to open or too easy to open because they don't want it to fly around everywhere. But wow, am I missing something here? Oh, there you go. You just gotta put your finger in this little thing here and pry it open, and there we go. And first things first, off the bat, this thing folds out to be like a cell phone stand, so you can kind of put your phone in there, and you'll have, like, you know, a viewing angle to watch stuff, which is cool. And that's also the Qi charger right here as well, right here where the card logo is. And when you open this up, you are met with everything you need. I'm gonna say off the bat, it does kind of stink that I don't know if I'm missing something, but it doesn't open up all the way. So I don't know how wonderful this flash is gonna be if, you know, you're not able to open it. But yeah, so you kind of have this cable that comes around, and you can unplug it So I think if you find another cable similar, let's say this one dies, it is replaceable. The cables are branded. I don't know if you can see that right there. It says Kable. It's got their card logo on there. Then you have the SIM ejector tool. Let's see, you got 2 SIM card slots here. The type C to micro USB cable connector. The lightning connector. You got the SIM card removal tool. USB-C to USB-A right there. Then you've got the SIM card slots there, and then the micro SD card slot is there on the side. I don't have one that I can use to test the memory, but it's nice to know that you can transfer stuff to and from your phone. Yeah, so let's see this. I think the battery is dead on this. The flashlight is not working. So let me be right back. Let's charge it real quick for a bit and see what we can get. All right, guys, I'm back. So I didn't want to wait too long, so I just got a little backup battery here. So I'm going to just plug this guy in. And so the thing I noticed is there's no like LED charger or anything that will, or light that will let you know that it's charging. But you know, when you turn on this light, there's one, it's an ambient light, and then there's 2, it's a little brighter. So we know that works, and it's very bright. I'm just gonna let you know right now. And then the wireless charging, kind of want to have it on a stand. And let's see, there it works. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let me center this, sorry. Let's get off the charger. Okay, and you'll notice right here it's charging. Okay, cool, so that works. So this is something you obviously you're going to want to need charged every now and then. There's no like information on this card about the milliamp hours. I don't know if I'm missing it maybe. But if you guys know how many milliamp hours there are on this card, leave it down in the comments below. So yeah, this is the Kable Card. I think it's a nifty little thing to keep in your pack, because I know this card, the wireless battery, I'm gonna be honest, it's probably not much, but I think it's enough that will get you through a rough patch. You know, if you do need the juice right away and you're desperate, you know, it'll get you there. I love the different USB connectors so that you will never be short or never be missing anything. So I think this thing is a win. I'm gonna just continue to use this in my everyday carry. I just need to figure out, you know, I honestly think the most inconvenient thing about this, as nifty as this thing is the fact that you can't open this up all the way. I don't know if I'm missing something. If I am, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I would love to be able to kind of just do a 180 on this. It'll make accessing things easier. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty straightforward little EDC. So I have more stuff on the way again, so subscribe. Thanks for checking out today's video. Take it easy, guys.